Hi, I'm Dr. John Cha, a holistic practitioner from Hawaii. I'd like to share with you how to speed the healing process for coughs. Is this folk remedy the best for you? Vinegar and cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper contains capsicum, a proven painkiller, while vinegar serves as an anti-inflammatory. Here's your formula for vinegar and cayenne pepper. Add a half cup of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper to 1/2 cup of water. Add honey if desired. Take 1 tablespoon when your cough acts up and another tablespoon before you go to bed. Now you have your vinegar and cayenne pepper cough medicine.